The edge slider is a guard that protects the sander's housing from the sanding belt. If the sandpaper belt isn't properly tracked, it can rub against the inside edge of the sander. The edge slider attaches to the housing and keeps it from being cut or worn by the belt. Over time, the edge slider can be worn down and will need to be replaced. Replacing the edge slider is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the sanding belt from the sander. Now remove the side cover. The edge slider is located at the back of the housing. I'll use a magnet to secure it, and it's secured to the sander with a screw on the back side. Now I can install the new edge slider. I'll again secure it with the magnet and reinsert it into the sander and secure it with the screw. Now reinstall the side cover and finish up by reinstalling the belt. And that's all it takes to install a new edge slider on your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.